Hello everyone and welcome to this here video on the V675. This should be the final video, but let's see how it goes. So we just need to clean it up. Good reminder, subscribe. Every time you subscribe, I go up a level in shopping. I'm currently on Aldi, wouldn't mind being at least Morrison's at some point. But anyway, we don't just make videos on Rovers on this channel, we make videos on all sorts of stuff, but Rovers are of course a staple, and my cars will always be a staple of this channel. So this is the 375 if you don't know already. I need to clear her up because she has been sat for quite a while. It took a bit longer than expected because the fuel rail decided to pop the pressure release valve out, and then I've obviously ended up letting it sit for a while because I had to find a fuel rail for a decent price. So I found one, we fitted that, we sorted out the thermostat obviously as it came with. It sadly only got an MOT until July, so we'll see what we can do with that. I might auction her off for charity because why not? We should always strive to make a difference, I guess, but let's see. Yeah, so let's go on to cleaning this thing. Shout out to Rocket Butterthorpe providing me with the cleaning supplies for this video. Links in the description. I'll show you some before and afters and you can get your opinions on it. Again, not sponsored, just been provided with these for free to test out in a video, so let's get to it. So now onto our a bit weathered interior. I really like this stuff because, Jesus, it makes you cough, but it really does work wonders on this leather. I don't know what it is about it, but it seems to take a lot of the dirt out, like that that dirt there. The problem is though, is it smells like Eden Camp. So if you don't know what Eden Camp is, Google it. Great place. I used to go there when I was a kid. I don't think I've coughed this much in a clip, but yeah, it's pretty good. Because you've got this to get rid of the awful smell. Let's see. I actually use the vanilla one in the Maestro. I think it's just an appropriate smell. That smells quite nice. I'd prefer it if I had the vanilla though, but that lives in the Maestro. That's its permanent smell. So we've got David Beckham for the lovely Fiat Coupe, and we have Rocket Butter Vanilla for the Maestro. But look at that thing there. So let's finish this video off and have a good look around. So this is it, everyone. She is done. I've had a quick polish. I've had to go over with some rocket butter stuff, which of course you saw me using if you were watching the rest of the video. But look at that. Also this one's here. But look at that, looking brilliant. Of course the inside isn't as nice as I would like, but there's only so much you can do with cleaning products. I need to re-dye that steering wheel. But yeah, it is really up to you lot what we do with it. I can't realistically afford to run this many cars because that's just getting silly. So, I mean, if you wanted to donate to keep it on, or donate to keep it up, at the end of the day, this is going to be sold on for charity. Do like a charity auction, or we can keep it, but obviously I can't really afford that, so I prefer to do a charity auction. But yeah, look at that. Look at that one as well. So again, thank you for watching. Keep watching and subscribe. I'm going to change them headlights as well because why not? I need to do that. Cheers anyway.